Alright, so here we are in Kolb Park on the boardwalk, heading out to the waterway. We just had the park ranger, or whatever her title is, come by and chase us off the tower. So I'm not even sure if we're supposed to be back here at this hour, but we're forging ahead like true pioneers. Usually there's a lot of crabs along here, maybe the size of a quarter or a silver dollar, lightning quick. So far not seeing any. I can imagine back hundreds of years ago when you had pirate ships come in and then they would row to shore. There's lots of places to hide amongst the mangroves where you still have ocean access, so pretty good haven for the bad guys looking not to get caught.